students. Today we will learn selecting text using both keyboard and mouse, inserting and overtype text, undo redo action, delete text and copying text. We can select the text by using both keyboard and mouse. For that, if you want to select the text, select a sentence only. Then that time you have to hold the control key and click anywhere on the sentence. First we will open the on-screen keyboard and then I will show to you. Only for a sentence you have to click anywhere on the sentence. I am selecting here and then press the control key and then click anywhere on the sentence. In this way your full sentence will select. Understood? Next is the, if you want to select more line from your document, that time you have to click on the start of the sentence in this way, then hold it shift key and then click up to where you want a selection. I want full paragraph selection, that's why I will click here. Automatically it will select your full paragraph. In this way you can select by using the keyboard and mouse also. Next is the inserting and overtyping text. How to insert and overtype text? You will see. Easily you can insert. If your cursor is here, click on this beginning of the cursor and I want here any sentence, any word, then I will write simply here the. In this way you can insert the sentence. And if you want to overtype the text, then selected this sentence or selected this word, I want here different word, like that word will go replace with another word. In this way also you can insert and overtype the text. Otherwise, next option is here. First you sure that right click on the status bar, then here is the overtype option. If you select this, it will come overtype, and it will, if you will remove this, it will insert option. It is the default option. Automatically it will set in your MS Word. Okay, it is already set in your MS Word. Next is the deleting text. How to delete the text? To delete or remove text or character, place the cursor to its right. Suppose I will keep my cursor here. Okay, then press the backspace key once or place the cursor to its left and press the delete key. Now I am pressing backspace key. For that also we want a keyboard. My cursor is here and I am pressing here backspace key. Your left side word will delete in this way. And if you press your cursor on the left side or right side, then you have to press the delete key. Then this word will delete. In this way you can delete your words. Next is the, to delete a word, place the cursor to the right of the word. In this way, suppose I want to delete that independence word, then I will place my cursor here on the right of the word and press Ctrl and backspace. Control key and here backspace key. You can see automatic this word will delete. Next is if you can also place the cursor to the left of the word. Now here left of the word, country is my word. I will place my cursor here left side and then Control and delete option. Then your country word will go. In this way you can delete the word also. Okay. Next is the undo and redo action. What is the undo and redo action? You can see the undo and redo command are present on the it is on the you will get here in the quick access toolbar. It is undo and it is redo action. Next, the undo command is used to cancel the last action. Suppose I am changing here this paragraph. I will change here style of the paragraph. You can see, and then size also I will change in this way. Okay. Now undo command is used to cancel the last action done in the document. Now I had done here this action, change the font, and if I will click here in the undo option, then your last action you will get. Again if you click here, again last action means last time what you had done here, that you will get. And if you will click on the redo button, then previous action you will get. In this way, this is the action of redo and undo action. Next is the copying text. How to copy the text? You have to select this text or full document. Next, what you have to do? Click on the copy option. It will get on the clipboard group, and then whatever you want to paste here, I want paste here, then keep your cursor here and then you have to paste it. Paste option is here in a clipboard group and click on it. In this way you can copy and paste. And second way, suppose I copy this, select it from the selection bar, then right click on it, click on copy option, and then now I want here that sentence, then right click on it and click on paste option. In this way you can copy and paste your text. Is it clear, students? Okay, thank you.